Ever unboxed a stunning new wallet only to wonder if it's really ready to hold your cash? Most people think a brand new wallet is ready to use right out of the box. They're wrong. What I'm about to show you will completely change how you think about new wallets. Many Feng Shui practitioners say new wallets can carry residual energy from production. This invisible energy can actually repel money instead of attracting it. In my Feng Shui practice, I've guided clients through simple rituals that help them feel more confident about money flow. Don't put anything in your new wallet until you watch this. Hit like if you've ever noticed money slipping through your fingers. Let me explain why that beautiful new wallet might not be as clean as you think. Your wallet carries invisible traces from its entire journey to you. From the factory floor to shipping containers and retail shelves, every touch can leave a subtle energetic imprint. Think of it like unboxing a vase. No matter how clean it looks, you'd still rinse it before using it. In Feng Shui, brand new doesn't mean energy clean. Think about the journey your wallet took to reach you. It started in a factory where machines stamped it out. Workers handled it during assembly. Their energy went into every stitch and fold. After the factory, your wallet got packed into boxes with hundreds of others. It sat in warehouses for weeks or months. The energy of storage and waiting settled into the material. All of this creates what Feng Shui experts call manufacturing energy. This energy has nothing to do with wealth or abundance. It's the energy of production, storage, and handling. Manufacturing energy carries the intention of making products fast and cheap. Workers in factories aren't thinking about your financial success. They're thinking about meeting quotas and getting through their shift. That energy gets trapped in the wallet's material. You can see how this works with a simple comparison. Imagine buying a new house that looks spotless. The floors shine. The walls are freshly painted. Everything appears perfect. But you still clean it before moving in your belongings, right? You wipe down surfaces and vacuum carpets even though they look clean. Energy works the same way. Just because something looks new doesn't mean it's energetically ready for your use. Traditional Feng Shui masters never use new items without cleansing them first. I've seen wealthy clients spend thousands on designer wallets, then take them straight to a Feng Shui consultant for cleansing. They understand that the wallet's appearance matters less than its energy field. A cheap wallet that's properly cleansed will attract more money than an expensive wallet that carries manufacturing energy. Many practitioners believe manufacturing energy can cloud the wallet's energy and make money feel harder to hold on to. Think about it this way. Your wallet should vibrate with your personal energy and your wealth intentions. But manufacturing energy drowns out your personal vibration. It's like trying to tune a radio with static interference. You might catch bits of your desired frequency, but the signal stays weak and unclear. The good news is that you can fix this problem in less than 10 minutes. You don't need expensive tools or complicated rituals. 3 simple cleansing methods will clear your wallet's energy field completely. These methods remove manufacturing energy and create space for your personal wealth energy to take hold. Method 1. Airing out. Take your new wallet outside and let it sit in fresh air for at least 2 hours. Natural air circulation pulls stagnant energy away from objects. Place the wallet on a clean surface where air can flow around all sides. Open all compartments and pockets. The goal is maximum air exposure. Fresh air carries away the energy of factories, warehouses, and stores. Method 2. Incense smoke. Light a stick of sandalwood or frankincense incense. Hold your wallet about 6 inches above the smoke. Let the smoke flow over every surface for about 3 minutes. The smoke acts like an energy eraser. It dissolves the invisible imprints left by manufacturing and handling. Make sure smoke reaches inside all pockets and compartments. Method 3. Intention setting. Hold your wallet in both hands and speak your cleansing intention out loud. Say something like, I clear all manufacturing energy from this wallet. I remove all energy that doesn't serve my wealth and abundance. Your spoken intention creates a powerful energy shift. The wallet begins to align with your personal vibration instead of manufacturing energy. For best results, try all three: fresh air, a touch of smoke, and your own clear intention. Then your wallet is ready to start attracting abundance. Once you complete this cleansing, something interesting happens. Your relationship with money starts to shift in ways you might not expect. This simple cleansing ritual separates people who struggle with money from those who attract it naturally. The difference isn't luck or background. It's understanding that energy matters as much as action. Most people ignore the invisible forces affecting their wealth. They wonder why money feels hard to keep or grow. Remember, a little prep goes a long way. Cleanse, stock, and watch your wallet feel alive. Pay attention to unexpected money that shows up. Watch how your relationship with spending shifts. If you try this, comment below what you notice in the weeks ahead. Did any surprise funds show up? Just like a fresh coat of paint energizes a room, a cleansed wallet energizes your finances. I'm Nick. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Feng Shui tips to harmonize your home and your wealth.